time of year again, but it's time to get back to school. And Dawn McCarthy from Dawn's Corner has some really great products that are going to help make this transition so much easier. Dawn, it's so good to see you.
Hi, Amber. How are you?
I love all of these goodies that you have. Let's jump right into this.
And so now I wanted to not forget the mom and dad. So I've got something for them to enjoy as the kids head back to school, and it's Bluelene. So this is a patented anti-aging skincare line. It's an absolute miracle worker with its key ingredient, methylene blue, which has been known to outperform retinol. So methylene blue is going to promote skin cell health, repair, reverse skin aging, and protect against UVA and UVB radiation. So methylene blue will double your own body's collagen and elastin. It's smoothing, hydrating, and firming of the skin. So Bluelene has a brand new HandPlus cream, which is a must for driving the kids back to school. So along with some of the other favorites I like their Blue Vado Sun Fix, their Night Plus, their eye cream, and face and neck remodel mask. It's going to be hard for you to pick a favorite. So parents, add this product to your cart at bluelene.com.
Where can we find more information on all of these and some of the other great tips that you always have?
You just go to dawnscorner.com and I can connect you to all these brands that I featured and so much more.